In this video, you'll learn how to start a project in Microsoft Project using the web experience so you can quickly get organized and ready to plan your work. Let's begin right from the start. First, open your web browser and go to projectmicrosoft.com. This is the main web address for Microsoft Project on the web. If you're already signed into your Microsoft 365 account, the page should load your project home screen. If you're not signed in yet, you'll be prompted to log in with your work or school account before you can continue. Another way to get there is through the Microsoft 365 app launcher, sometimes called the waffle menu, which is the grid of small squares you see in the top left corner of many Microsoft 365 apps. Click that launcher, look for Project or Planner, and select it. If you open Planner, you'll still be able to get to your plans and projects since these tools are closely connected in the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Once you're on the Project or Planner homepage, you're ready to create something new. Look toward the top of the screen for a button that says New Plan or New Project, usually marked with a plus sign in front like plus New Plan or plus New Project. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on which view you're in and how your organization has things set up, but it will always be clearly labeled as creating something new. Go ahead and click that button. This is the key action that starts your project. As soon as you select it, Microsoft Project will prompt you to enter a name for your new plan or project. Take a moment to choose a clear, descriptive name that you and your team will recognize later, such as the client name, product name, or internal initiative. After naming your project, you may see additional options depending on your version or permissions. For example, you might be able to choose the privacy level, like whether the plan is public to your organization or private to a specific group. In many cases, you'll also have the option to connect the project to an existing Microsoft 365 group or let Project create a new group for you automatically. Linking it to a group helps keep conversations, files, and tasks in one place. Once you confirm those details, your new project space is created. You'll typically be taken straight into a view where you can start adding tasks, assigning them to team members, setting due dates, and organizing your work into buckets or phases. Even though those are later steps, it's helpful to know that everything begins with that simple click on plus new plan or plus new project. If you plan to work on multiple projects, consider bookmarking project.microsoft.com in your browser so you can quickly return to your project homepage. From there, each new initiative starts the same way. Open the site or access it from the app launcher, then click the plus button to create a new plan or project. That's all you need to get a project started in Microsoft Project on the web. You've gone from signing in to opening Project or Planner to creating a brand new project space that's ready for you to build out your tasks and schedule